Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
Today we're learning future forms.
We'll compare will, going to, and present continuous so you can choose fast and sound natural.
In this episode, you'll get a quick meaning map and then lots of practice.
Let's go straight to the point with one situation in 3 different ways.
Situation. We meet tomorrow.
Option 1, I'll meet you tomorrow. This often feels like a decision right now or a friendly offer.
Option 2, I'm going to meet you tomorrow. This feels like intention. You already decided.
Option 3, I'm meeting you tomorrow. This feels arranged, like the plan is already set.
Same future time, 3 different messages. That's why the choice matters.
Now a prediction example. Look outside. Dark clouds, strong wind.
It's going to rain. That sounds like evidence.
It will rain can also be correct, but it often sounds more like an opinion or general prediction.
Before we go deeper, here's the simplest map.
Will is common for decisions now, offers, promises, and opinion predictions.
Going to is common for intentions and evidence predictions.
Present continuous is common for arranged plans, often with a time or agreement.
And yes, sometimes more than one option can work.
But the meaning changes a little, and that's what makes you sound natural.
Today, we'll practice it like real life. Plans, invitations, last-minute decisions, weather predictions, scheduling, even quick, polite responses.
We'll also practice questions, negatives, and the short forms people use all the time.
Quick note on pronunciation. I'll is one sound. I'll call you.
And going to is often pronounced quickly, but you can keep it clear. I'm going to study.
For present continuous future, the time phrase helps your listener immediately. I'm meeting him tomorrow, not just I'm meeting him.
All right, no more talking about it. Let's start using it.
First up, will, and we'll keep it practical.
Let's do will. The best way to feel will is this idea. Something is decided by the speaker now, or the speaker is making a promise, or the speaker is predicting from opinion.
We'll break it into 4 common uses and then practice.
Use 1, quick decisions. Something happens and you decide immediately.
The phone is ringing. I'll answer it.
Someone says, we don't have milk. I'll go to the store.
You did not plan it earlier. You choose it now.
Use 2, offers. You decide now to help or do something for someone.
I'll carry that.
I'll pay this time.
That's a bold offer.
Very bold.
I'll send it to you. I'll explain it again. Offers are everywhere.
Use 3, promises. You commit to something.
I'll call you later.
I'll be there.
I won't forget.
Promises often sound warm, supportive, and clear.
Use 4, predictions based on opinion. You believe something will happen.
I think it will be fun.
You'll like this lesson.
It'll be fine.
Notice the words that often appear. I think, I'm sure, probably, maybe.
Now, let's out the negative in questions because you need them in real life.
Negative is will not, and the common form is won't. I won't be late. She won't mind. We won't forget.
Questions are easy. Will you help me? Will it rain? Will you be there?
Quick drill. Repeat after us. I'll call you tonight.
I'll help you.
I won't be late.
Will you text me?
I think it will be great.
It'll be okay.
Now, the key warning. Many learners use will as a default future for everything.
It's not wrong, but it can sound too formal or too promise-like if the plan is already arranged.
Example, I will meet you at 6 is okay, but in casual conversation, I'm meeting you at 6 often sounds more natural if it's scheduled.
And I'm going to meet you often sounds more like intention.
Great. Now we move to going to, which covers intentions and evidence. Going to is extremely common for real-life plans. It answers, what do you intend to do?
And it's also the go-to choice when you predict because you see evidence.
Use 1, intention. You already decided before now.
I'm going to study tonight.
I'm going to start exercising next week.
We're going to cook at home.
These sound like plans, even if every detail is not fixed yet.
A helpful clue is that going to often pairs well with personal intention words. I want to, I plan to, I decided to.
Right. I decided to study more, so I'm going to practice every day.
Now use 2, evidence predictions. Something in the present makes the future feel obvious.
Dark clouds. It's going to rain.
Someone is holding a cup at a weird angle. You're gonna spill it.
Someone is running and the bus doors are closing. You're gonna miss it.
You feel it coming.
Let's compare will and going to for predictions, because this is where people get stuck.
If it's more like your opinion, will is common. I think it will rain tomorrow.
If it's more like evidence, going to is common. It's going to rain because you see the clouds or you just heard thunder.
But both can appear in weather talk, so the safest thing is to focus on meaning.
Exactly. If you are reacting to what you see, going to is usually the most natural.
Now let's do questions and negatives with going to, because you'll use them a lot.
Questions. Are you going to study tonight? Is it going to rain?
Negatives. I'm not going to go. She isn't going to like it. We aren't going to be late.
Quick drill. Repeat.
I'm going to study tonight.
Are you going to come with us?
I'm not going to go.
It's going to rain soon.
Is it going to be expensive?
We're going to start at 7.
Now one pronunciation note. People often say gonna, but you do not need to copy that to be natural.
You can speak clearly going to. That's totally fine.
Great, now we need the third form, present continuous for the future, because it signals something is arranged or scheduled.
And this one makes you sound very natural in everyday plans.
Present continuous for future is used when the plan is arranged. Think appointments, reservations, schedules, and agreements with other people.
The key is that it feels set, not just an idea.
Examples.
I'm meeting you at 6.
We're recording tonight.
She's starting a new job next week.
They're flying tomorrow.
Notice how time phrases make it clear immediately. Tonight, tomorrow, at 6, next week. Without a time phrase, it can sound incomplete. I'm meeting my friend often makes the listener think, when?
Now compare the 3 forms with one simple situation. Dinner tonight.
I'll cook tonight. That can feel like a decision now. Maybe you just chose it.
I'm going to cook tonight. That feels like intention. You planned it earlier.
I'm cooking tonight. That feels set, like it's already decided and you are committed.
Another situation, a doctor appointment.
I'm seeing the doctor at 3. That sounds like a scheduled appointment.
I'm going to see the doctor sounds like a plan, but maybe you were focusing on intention, not schedule.
I will see the doctor sounds more formal, like a statement or a promise.
Another situation, travel.
I'm flying tomorrow often implies a ticket is booked.
I'm going to fly tomorrow focuses on intention, not necessarily the booking.
I'll fly tomorrow can sound like a strong decision now, or sometimes a formal tone.
So here's a simple memory trick.
If there's a fixed time or a clear agreement, present continuous is often the best choice.
If it's a plan in your head, going to is often the best choice.
If you decide now, offer help or promise, will is often the best choice.
Great, now we practice in conversations because that's where it really becomes natural.
And we'll include polite phrases that native speakers use, so it sounds friendly, not robotic. Conversation 1. Weekend planning.
Listen for what each form communicates. Hey Mia, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm visiting my cousin on Saturday.
That sounds arranged.
Yeah, we agreed on it earlier this week. We already picked a time.
Nice. I'm going to study Saturday morning.
That sounds like intention.
Exactly. I decided I need a reset.
Steady reset. I respect that.
And after that, I think I'll relax.
That sounds like a flexible decision, not a strict plan.
Right, if I finish early, I'll go for a walk. If not, I'll stay home.
That's a great will pattern. If plus present, then will.
Are you meeting anyone on Sunday?
I'm meeting a friend for coffee at 10.
That's definitely arranged.
Yes, we confirmed it yesterday.
Look outside. The sky is getting darker.
It's going to rain.
Yeah, I can feel it.
I think it will rain all afternoon.
Nice. Evidence with going to, opinion with will. My phone is ringing.
I'll wait.
Thanks.
Quick decision.
Also a polite move.
Exactly. Now another real situation. Someone cancels.
Imagine your friend texts you, "Sorry, I can't make it."
If you decide immediately, you might say, "Okay, I'll go alone."
If you think about your plan, you might say, "I'm going to go alone anyway."
If the plan is scheduled and you're committed, you might say, "I'm going anyway. I already booked it."
Great. 3 different feelings.
Conversation 2. Scheduling.
When someone asks, "When can we talk?"
A natural answer is present continuous. I'm free at 7, so I'm calling you then.
Or, "I'm meeting someone at 6, but I'm calling you at 8.
This is why present continuous future is so useful.
Great. Now we drill it so viewers can answer quickly.
Drill time. We'll give a situation. You choose the best form.
Say it out loud, even quietly. It helps. Situation 1. The phone rings.
I'll answer it.
Situation 2. You decided earlier to study tonight.
I'm going to study tonight.
Situation 3. You have an appointment at 3.
I'm seeing the doctor at 3.
Situation 4. Dark clouds and strong wind.
It's going to rain.
Situation 5. You are guessing about a movie.
I think it will be good.
Situation 6. You agreed to meet at 6.
I'm meeting you at 6.
Situation 7. Your friend needs help and you decide now.
I'll help you.
Situation 8. You made a plan for next week.
I'm going to start a new routine next week.
Situation 9. You booked a flight.
I'm flying tomorrow.
Situation 10. Your friend is carrying too much and you offer help.
I'll carry that.
Great. Now we do pairs to feel the nuance. Repeat both and notice the meaning shift.
Pair 1.
I'll call you later.
I'm going to call you later.
The first feels like a promise or decision now. The second feels planned.
Pair 2.
I'm meeting him tomorrow.
I'm going to meet him tomorrow.
The first feels arranged. The second feels intention.
Pair 3. Prediction.
It will rain.
It's going to rain.
The second often feels stronger with evidence.
Now let's add questions because people talk about the future by asking.
Will questions, will you be there?
Going to questions, are you going to come?
Present continuous questions, are you meeting her tomorrow?
These sound very natural.
Great. Now we move to a short conversation that uses questions and negatives because real life is not only positive statements.
Exactly. Let's do it. Conversation 2. 2 friends texting. This one includes questions, negatives, and quick reactions.
Hey Mia, are you free tonight?
I'm meeting a friend after work, so I'm not free tonight.
What time are you meeting?
We're meeting at 7 near the park.
Okay, no worries. I think I'll stay home tonight anyway.
Anyway, sounds like you secretly wanted to stay home.
Maybe.
Are you going to study tonight?
Yeah, I'm going to review for 20 minutes.
Nice. I'll do the same later.
That's will, a decision now.
Exactly. It feels spontaneous.
Are you doing anything tomorrow?
I'm visiting my parents in the morning.
What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 9.
That sounds planned.
Yeah, it's set.
Look at the sky and that photo you sent. That looks bad.
I know, it's going to rain soon.
I think it will get worse later.
If it rains, I'll take an umbrella.
That's a classic structure. If plus present, then will.
Are you going to come out this weekend?
I'm not going to go out on Saturday. I'm going to stay in.
Intention clear.
But on Sunday, I'm meeting a friend for coffee.
Arrangement clear.
Quick question. Can I say I will not go instead of I'm not going to go?
You can, but it sounds stronger and more formal. I won't go feels like refusal or a firm decision.
While I'm not going to go feels like a plan.
Exactly. It can be softer.
What about I'm not meeting anyone tomorrow?
That is fine if you're talking about arrangements. I'm not meeting anyone tomorrow means no scheduled plans.
Great, so present continuous can be used for arranged future, even negative.
Perfect. Now we fix the most common mistakes that make learners sound unnatural.
And we keep it simple, quick, and usable. Common mistakes and quick fixes. These are small changes that make a big difference.
Mistake 1. Using will for every future sentence in casual conversation.
Fix. If the plan is arranged, use present continuous.
Instead of, I will meet you at 6, say, I'm meeting you at 6.
It sounds like a real plan, not a formal statement.
Mistake 2. Using present continuous for future without a time phrase, and the sentence feels unfinished.
Fix. Add time or time plus place.
I'm meeting her tomorrow.
I'm meeting her at the cafe tomorrow.
Mistake 3. Using will for evidence predictions when you clearly see signs.
Fix. Use going to.
It's going to rain when the sky looks stormy.
You're going to drop it when someone is about to spill.
Mistake 4. Using going to when the plan is clearly scheduled and confirmed, then it sounds less firm than you want.
Fix. If it's confirmed, present continuous can sound stronger.
I'm seeing the doctor at 3.
That sounds booked.
Mistake 5. Mixing the forms inside one message in a confusing way.
Fix. Keep one meaning per sentence unless you're contrasting on purpose.
Example, I'm meeting him tomorrow, so I'll call you after.
That is clear. Arranged plan plus decision.
Now we do a quick repetition drill. Copy and use sentences.
Repeat out loud.
I'll call you later.
I'm going to study tonight.
I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
It's going to rain soon.
I think it will be great.
I won't be late.
I'm not going to go out tonight.
I'm not meeting anyone tomorrow.
Great! Now we lock it in with a mini story and a simple challenge.
This helps your brain choose without thinking too long.
Mini story. 5 sentences, 5 meanings.
Listen first, then try to build your own.
Tomorrow, I'm meeting my friend at 6.
Tonight I'm going to study for 30 minutes.
If you need help, I'll help you.
Look at the clouds. It's going to rain.
I think it will stop later.
Now let's expand the story a little with natural details without changing the meaning.
Tomorrow, I'm meeting my friend at 6 at the cafe near the park.
Tonight I'm going to study for 30 minutes because I want to stay consistent.
If you message me and you need something, I'll answer right away.
Look at the sky. It's going to rain, so take a jacket.
I think it will calm down later, but I'm not sure.
Now your challenge. Create your own 5-sentence story using the same structure.
1 arranged plan using present continuous with a time phrase.
1 intention using going to.
1 decision, now or promise, using will.
1 evidence prediction using going to.
1 opinion prediction using will.
If you can do that, you understand future forms.
And you can use them in real life.
Here are 3 quick starter phrases that help you choose instantly.
For will, start with I'll. I'll call, I'll help, I'll do it.
For going to, start with I'm going to. I'm going to study, I'm going to go.
For present continuous future, start with I'm plus verb, ing, plus time. I'm meeting you at 6.
That's the fastest way to build correct sentences while speaking.
Great. Let's close with the standard ending.
And comment your biggest difficulties so we can plan the next episode.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment. What's your biggest difficulty in English right now? And what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.